Okay, so in section 1-2, number 43 says, find the error. Lenora and Chase are evaluating 3, open bracket, 4 plus, open paren, 27, divided by 3, close paren, close bracket, all to the power of 2. Who is correct? Explain your reasoning. So they show Lenora's answer. She says that it equals, she takes the process and she says it equals 3 times 4 plus 9 squared. And then she says that equals 3 times 4 plus 81. And then finally that equals 3 times 85 for an answer of 255. So that's that's Lenora's way of doing it. All right?
I don't think that's right.
I see an error already. Do you see an error in the process?
You know
Where do you see it?
She's fine until the last step before she got the answer.
I think it's closer to the beginning.
Really?
Yeah, because look at the 3 times 4 plus 9 to the second power. Notice that the second power is on the outside of the brackets.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so she tucked.
That should be last.
Yeah, she tucked the 2 in, the second power into the 9, instead of saying the second power needed to go to the 4 plus 9. You see that? Well, let's look at Chase's. So same problem, 3 open bracket 4 plus 27. Oops, sorry, open paren 27 divided by 3, close paren, close bracket to the power 2. And Chase says that it's 3. All right, so
little samples, huh?
Chase has 3 times open paren 4 plus 9 close paren all to the power of 2. And then that equals 3 times 13 to the power of 2. That equals 3 times 169, which equals 507. All right, so that's his answer. Now, how do you want to solve this? I would go about doing it ourselves.
I would too.
And then see what we get. Okay, so let's do it first ourselves. So we have, again, 3 open bracket 4 plus open paren 27 divided by 3 close paren close bracket all the power to 2. So according to order of operations, somebody said, what do we got to do first? The parentheses. So 27 divided by 3 is 9. So we pull down the plus and the 4 and the brackets and the square and the 3. Now what do?
We do the 9 plus 4.
9 plus 4, and we get 13. Pull down the brackets and the square and the 3, and now what?
We times it by 3.
Oops.
No, we square it.
Square it. Yeah, exponents before the multiplication. So 13 squared.
Which is 169.
Ooh, good memory, Kaylee. 169, and then we pull down the 3, and 3 times 169 is...
A big number?
Yeah, big number. 507.
So Chase is right.
So Chase is right, yeah. And so if you notice on Lenore's, what she did was she screwed up with putting the to the power of 2 next to the 9 instead of on the outside of the bracket to the quantity of 4 plus 9. That's why hers is not correct. She carried down the square root improperly.